There are about 20,000 species of bees across the world. Bees are found on every continent except Antarctica. Bees depend upon pollen as a source of protein. They depend upon flower nectar as a source of energy. Bees are the most important pollinators of our fruits, vegetables, flowers, and crops. More than 1/3 of the world's crop production depends on pollination by bees. This is what our grocery stores look like because of pollination by bees. And this is what our stores will be like if there were no bees. In 2006, entire bee colonies were reported to be dying worldwide. Modern industrialization of farming has changed how farmers operate their farms. Farmers have stopped planting crops such as clover and alfalfa, which are natural fertilizers that fix nitrogen in the soil. Clover and alfalfa are also highly nutritious food for bees. Farmers now use synthetic fertilizers to fix nitrogen in the soil. Herbicides are used to kill the weeds in farms. Many of these weeds are flowering plants that bees need for their survival. Farmers are increasing their profits by changing to monoculture farming. Monoculture is when farms grow single crops on a large scale. Monoculture farming results in pollen only being available to bees during a short time when the crop is flowering. In a natural environment, there would be a series of plants flowering at different times. Monoculture farming has also resulted in increased use of pesticides. Recent research has found that there are at least 6 different pesticides in every batch of pollen collected by a honeybee. In some areas of the world, bees are now so rare that crops have to be pollinated by hand with feathers. Bees are dying from these multiple and interacting causes. This is leading to a problem called colony collapse disorder. Bee colony collapse disorder now joins global warming, forest destruction, and species extinction as our most urgent ecological emergencies. Beekeepers, farmers, politicians, and conservationists are working together to identify solutions such as banning pesticides, returning to ecological multi-crop farming, and preserving wild habitats for bees. These solutions help to preserve biological diversity. This is an example of how humankind can make decisions that positively impact the global environment.